To have sound effect when voiceover reading capital letter in iPhone 14 Pro, go to setting, scroll down the screen, and then tap accessibility, tap voiceover, and then tap verbosity, tap capital letters, and then select play sound. Now when you enable voiceover feature, you will hear a sound effect when the voiceover read a letter or word written in the capital letter. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.